So what amazing live art events have we got coming up this week, commencing Monday the 12th of July? Head over to shopkeeparty.com and click on live events. First up, we're heading to New Delhi in India to visit Megha Kapoor, where she's actually going to be talking about how to arrange a still life using a floral arrangement, and then helping to talk about how she considers and starts to paint that in watercolour. It'll be an amazing class. Please join us. It's totally free. Simply click this link and book your place. After Megha, we're then heading to Belgium to join Belgian and Moroccan artist Amid El Haddad for a 2 to 3 hour workshop webinar where we're going to be painting this really lovely Parisian scene. Obviously the unmistakable Eiffel Tower there. It looks quite intricate, but he's going to be taking you through step by step to paint this wonderful scene. You'll be very pleased with the results. The recommended materials are listed just here, so simply come to this page, and if you want to book your webinar ticket or pre-order the video, simply click that link there and that will take you through to Amid's shop. Then on Thursday we've got a patron special event with David R. Smith from Minnesota, and we're going to be doing a really lovely 3D textured rocks. They do look incredible. So over an hour he's going to show you how you can create this amazing I guess collage of pebbles. Will be really a great workshop. That is totally free for patrons, so patrons, if you are a patron, we'll send you the invite the day before. If you're not, you can purchase a one-off ticket to attend the event by pressing this link and simply purchasing the ticket here. Then after David's patron special class, we're heading to Wales, where we're going to be joining Howard Jones following his patron special last week, and this time we're going to be doing a 2 to 3 hour workshop. He's a very giving artist. He had an awful lot of tips and techniques to share, and he's going to be adding to those with this much more in-depth workshop where he's going to be painting this hillside farm using geometric shapes and techniques. So I'm really looking forward to that one. Again, if you want to book your place, simply head to the website, click this link here, which will take you through to his web shop, and then you can purchase the webinar or pre-order the video. So that's it for this coming week. What happened last week? Let's now go and check out our video library. So on Tuesday last week, we had an amazing event hosting Robert Dutton in England, and in this workshop we explored all the different techniques and textures with soft pastels and started to create using this reference photo, and it was a really fun session. We also had a lot of free giveaways to give away, and you can actually go over to the Facebook post, and as you scroll down you can see all the amazing pictures that have been posted by the attendees of that class. Some really fantastic paintings, and we've contacted one of the lucky attendees. In fact, it was Madhumita Roy for this particular soft pastel creation that she did, and congratulations, because Madhumita, we're going to try and send you the 18 pastel set from Unison Colour. So thank you very much for your submission. If we go back to the video library, let's go back to the video library, and following Robert we hosted Liz Chatterton, where we were doing creating a textured peacock using watercolour, but also a few different other materials and mediums, and we had some amazing results with this. We've also published a sped up video to music over 5 minutes, so you can see what the workshop was like. So do have a look at that video if you do get the opportunity. Following Liz, on Thursday we had Howard Jones and hosted him from Wales, and this is where he hosted the patron special event, and we did an abstract canal bridge in an hour with our patrons and paying guests, and it was a really lovely class. So I would recommend that you check that out. We've actually got highlights that you can watch on our video library, so simply click this button and you'll be able to watch that highlight video. It's about 40 minutes in length, and you'll be able to get an idea of how Howard comes across and his teaching techniques. It's a really well worthwhile watching that. Don't forget, if you want to be kept up to date with all our live streams and videos, head over to YouTube, search for Shopkeep Arty, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way we'll notify you every time we launch a new video and you won't miss a thing. Look forward to seeing you soon, and have a great weekend. Bye.